Dressing Arts Design and Digitalization Era. Dressing Arts Design. In this video, we perform regarding the importance of dressing arts design and craft expression in the world of art design. We'll also explore how dressing arts design can be used to create a more aesthetically pleasing product, and explore some different ways it can be used in life and share with similar people in the world. If you're interested in learning more about how dressing arts design can be used in the world of art design, then this video is for you. We'll introduce the importance of this dressing arts design and human expression through art design in the background of this video, as well as some of the different ways it can be used to create a more aesthetically pleasing product. Dressing arts design is a concept of innovate learning activities through different digital instruments in the digitalization era. The goal to motivate people to create and develop skill through digital instruments in the digitalization era. Dressing arts design is designing the expression of human and crafts animation and combination of arts design, music and movement of real-life activities in the learning abilities in the digitalization era. October 19, 2022. Author and producer, Malika.